Hey there, car enthusiasts and curious minds. Ever seen that check engine light pop up and wondered what on earth an O2 sensor bank 1 means? Well, today we're demystifying it for you. Think of your car's engine like a hungry beast, constantly burning fuel and air. The O2 sensor, or oxygen sensor, is like its nose, sniffing the exhaust gases to see how much oxygen is left after combustion. Now, why bank 1? Most cars have engines with cylinders where fuel gets burned. In simpler engines, like a 4-cylinder, all cylinders are in a single line, so there's only one bank of cylinders. We call this bank 1. But many cars, especially those with V6, V8, or V12 engines, have cylinders arranged in 2 rows, forming a V shape. Each row is called a bank. So, how do you know which is bank 1? It's actually quite simple. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. It's not always the driver's side or passenger's side, as that can vary by car manufacturer and engine design. If you're ever unsure, your car's service manual or even a quick online search for your specific make and model can tell you where cylinder 1 is located. Now, let's talk about the sensor part. You usually have at least 2 O2 sensors per bank. Sensor 1 is the upstream sensor, located before the catalytic converter, closer to the engine. Its main job is to tell the car's computer how much oxygen is in the exhaust before it gets cleaned up. This helps the computer adjust the air-fuel mixture for the best performance and fuel economy. The sensor 2, or downstream sensor, located after the catalytic converter, checks if the converter is doing its job properly by cleaning up emissions. So, when you hear O2 sensor bank 1, it's referring to a specific oxygen sensor on the side of your engine that has cylinder number 1. Understanding this helps pinpoint problems quickly and keep your car running smoothly and cleanly. Subscribe for more fun facts.